Welcome back to MH Car Review the channel. Today you are about to see something that completely redefines luxury, performance, and futuristic living on wheels. What you're looking at is not just a vehicle, it's a moving super mansion inspired by Ferrari DNA, blending hypercar aggression with ultra-luxury motorhome design. This concept takes the idea of a dream garage and turns it into a lifestyle. From the very first glance, the front design instantly grabs attention. The nose looks like it belongs to a futuristic supercar, sitting extremely low to the ground with sharp aerodynamic lines. The aggressive LED headlights, sculpted body panels, and matte black finish give it a stealth-like presence. It doesn't look like a motorhome at all. It looks like a Ferrari that evolved into a luxury beast made for the elite. As you move along the side profile, the design becomes even more impressive. Massive panoramic windows stretch across the body, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The structure feels bold, angular, and futuristic, inspired by high-end architecture rather than traditional RV design. The Ferrari branding and iconic prancing horse logo add an unmistakable premium identity, making this mobile mansion feel exclusive and powerful. Now let's talk about the wheels. These aren't ordinary RV wheels. The oversized alloy rims, low-profile performance tires, and aerodynamic wheel arches give it a supercar stance. Even standing still, it looks fast. Every detail screams performance, precision, and Italian luxury. Step inside, and the experience changes completely. The interior feels like a modern penthouse rather than a vehicle. The living area is spacious, open, and filled with ambient LED lighting that creates a calm yet luxurious atmosphere. Premium leather seating, minimalist furniture, and high-quality materials surround you from every angle. The design is clean, elegant, and futuristic, with no clutter, just pure sophistication. The kitchen inside this mobile mansion is on another level. It features sleek cabinets, marble countertops, and built-in smart appliances. Everything is designed to look seamless and modern. This is the kind of kitchen you would expect in a luxury apartment in Los Angeles or Miami, not inside a vehicle. Soft lighting and premium finishes make it both functional and beautiful. Moving forward, the dashboard and driver area feel like a Ferrari cockpit fused with advanced technology. Fully digital displays, a performance-inspired steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents surround the driver. The layout focuses on control, comfort, and futuristic aesthetics. Driving this would feel less like piloting an RV and more like commanding a high-tech luxury machine. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This space is designed for pure relaxation. A king-size bed, ambient lighting, premium textures, and sound-isolated walls create a hotel-like experience. Imagine waking up inside this luxury suite, opening the curtains, and seeing a beachfront view, desert landscape, or mountain skyline. This isn't travel, this is living without limits. The bathroom and private lounge areas follow the same luxury theme. Clean lines, modern fixtures, and a spa-like atmosphere make every moment inside feel premium. Everything is designed to maximize comfort while maintaining a futuristic and elegant aesthetic. From the back, the design remains bold and aggressive. LED tail lights glow with a futuristic signature, and the wide stance reinforces the idea that this is a high-performance luxury machine. It looks just as impressive at night as it does during the day, especially with interior lights glowing through the windows. This Ferrari-inspired mobile mansion isn't meant for everyone. It's designed for visionaries, entrepreneurs, celebrities, and those who want absolute freedom without sacrificing luxury. It's perfect for road trips across America, luxury events, private getaways, or simply making a statement wherever it goes. What makes this concept so special is how it blends multiple worlds into one. Supercar attitude, luxury real estate comfort, futuristic technology, and ultimate mobility. It proves that the future of travel isn't just about speed or efficiency, it's about experience. Imagine pulling up to a luxury villa, a desert festival, or a private racetrack in this machine. Every eye turns, every camera comes out. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle symbol. If Ferrari ever brings something like this into reality, it would completely disrupt the luxury motorhome industry. Until then, this concept gives us a glimpse into what the future could look like when performance meets imagination. So tell me in the comments, would you live in a Ferrari-inspired mobile mansion like this? Would you take it on a cross-country road trip, or park it next to your dream home? And most importantly, do you think this is the future of luxury travel? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more futuristic cars, luxury concepts, and next-level automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.